हमारे YouTube चैनल के इस फिजिक्स क्लास में आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत है। हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स बेस्ड ऑन इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट। हमारे इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स के लेक्चर 11 का थर्ड पार्ट है। इसमें हमने प्रश्न लिया है वैद्युत ध्रुव आघूर्ण पर आधारित अंकित प्रश्न है। लेट मी फर्स्ट रीड द क्वेश्चन। 3 charges are placed on the vertex of equilateral triangle as shown below. Find the electric dipole moment of the arrangement. यहाँ पर 3 चार्जेस हैं और तीनों चार्ज किसी समबाहु त्रिभुज के शीर्षों पर इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल के वर्टेक्स यानी शीर्षों पर प्लेस्ड हैं एज इन द फिगर। वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट ऑफ एन अरेंजमेंट। तो अरेंजमेंट इज लाइक दैट, ए पर -q चार्ज है, बी पर +2q चार्ज है और सी पर -q चार्ज है। लेट अस assume here a be the side of equilateral triangle. ओके, अब इस प्रॉब्लम को अगर हम देखें तो 2 मेथड से कर सकते हैं। पहला मेथड हम आप लोगों को बताते हैं क्या करेंगे। यहाँ पर +2q को हम ले लें +q एंड +q, दो +q ले लेते हैं, है ना। +2q तो है ही है, उसको हम +q में बांट लें तो एक +q और ये -+q मिल करके एक इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल बनाता है, इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल। और दूसरा ये +q -q एक दूसरा इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल बना रहा है। ओके, और ये चूंकि हम जानते हैं इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल के ईच एंड एवरी एंगल्स आर इक्वल, सो लेट हियर इट इज 60 डिग्री, तो हियर 60 degree. As we know, electric dipole moment for any arrangement will be equal to q into 2l. So let the electric dipole moment which is formed between AB be P1 and which is between BC CB be P2. Okay, and P1 vector and P2 vector, we add them just like a sum of 2 vectors, and from the method of parallelogram we will find the diagonal of this, which is our net electric dipole moment P. Vector P here is the sum of vector P1 plus vector P2, and we have to find the magnitude of P, as the angle between P1 and P2 is angle theta. Here is the what is 60 degree, and P1 is nothing but q into A, because here 2l is equal to A and P2 is equal to q into A. Here is same 2l separation. 2l is what? 2l is the separation of 2 charges which are equal and opposite. So we have electric dipole moment P1 and P2 which is of this magnitude, and net electric dipole moment P is equal to, can be calculated as equal to P1 square plus P2 square plus 2 P1 P2 cos theta, and which is equal to under root, both are having same magnitude. So here we have 2 P1 square plus 2 P1 square cos 60 degree. If we take 2 P1 square common, 1 plus cos 60 degree, which is equal to under root 2 P1 square, and from this we take 1 plus cos 60 degree, 1 minus 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree means 1 plus 1 by 2. So we have under root P1 square into 3, so that is under root 3 P1, and we have magnitude under root 3. P1 means what? Q into A. So we have electric dipole moment net of this arrangement, which is equal to under root 3 Q into A, and its direction is along the angle bisector of at point originated from B to outward. This is the direction. And with the second method, we can just assume this hole as like that suppose this is 2q and here is the minus q and minus q, here is the 2q charge, and if we take minus 2q and minus q are separated at distance a, so we can take minus 2q just in center between them, and if we join this like that, so these a, b, c, and let this be d, bd, this is point b and this is c, bd will form an electric dipole having separation BD, and if we calculate BD we will find it is A under root 3 because it is the median of equilateral triangle. मध्यिका है, किसी समबाहु त्रिभुज की मध्यिका क्या होती है? A under root 3. Let me calculate. It is the median. This is A by 2, and definitely it is A under root 3 by 2. So this is A under root 3 by 2. So what is electric dipole moment? Q into the separation. Separation is A under root 3 by 2. Rather, in place of Q we will write here 2 because we have electric dipole which is formed in this arrangement of charge plus 2q and minus 2q. So we place here 2q, A under root 3 by 2. So we have P is equal to Q into A under root 3, which is same as earlier method we have obtained. P is equal to under root 3 Q into A. Direction will naturally be same because it is a angle bisector of this at B, which is 60 means 30 degree here, 30 degree here. If we join this along, this is the direction of electric dipole P. Okay, so this question had two possibility of solution. So either you solve with this method or this method. This is a good question. You should try to solve it. If you have any problem, then you can ask with writing your comments. Okay.